Hey everyone, if we want to grow our professional presence online, posting on LinkedIn is one of the best ways to do it. Whether we share career updates, industry insights, achievements, or helpful content, posting regularly helps us stay visible and build credibility in our field. If we are new to LinkedIn or unsure how to start, we don't need to worry. Today, we will guide you through how to post on LinkedIn and make our content stand out. Posting on LinkedIn helps us build our personal brand, connect with professionals, and create opportunities. When we share valuable content, we show that we are knowledgeable and active in our industry. Posting helps us attract recruiters, potential clients, collaborators, or employers. It also keeps our profile active, which increases our visibility in LinkedIn's algorithm. Whether we post text updates, photos, articles, or videos, our goal is to provide value and start conversations. This helps us grow our professional network in a meaningful way. Let's go through the steps together, so even if we're new, we can follow along easily. First, open our browser. We go to www.linkedin.com. Once we are on the homepage of LinkedIn, we log into our account. After logging in, we are redirected to the LinkedIn homepage. To post on LinkedIn, we go to our profile. To do this, we click our mini profile picture, or the Me button, and then go to our profile. Once we are on our profile, we can see all our posts, achievements, and more. To post, we click the Post area and click Start a Post. Now we can post. We can write articles. If we want to write articles, we just need to enter our publishing title and details. After that, we click Get Started. Or if we want to post photos, we click the photo icon, select our photos, and upload them from our computer. We can also add a link to our post, add media, create an event post, or celebrate an occasion. We can rewrite our post with AI, or add some emoticons if we want. After writing our message, we click Post, and it will appear on our profile. We can also share videos. We upload them here or share a video link. And that's how we post on LinkedIn. Remember to keep our content professional, authentic, and relevant to our audience. The more consistent and intentional we are with our posts, the more impact we will make.